Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 19 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Alright, today we are at 5,287 listings that are currently on our store. Let's go ahead and have a look at our sales. I believe we had around 2 sales today. Okay, just moving on. Okay, so we had one at 33.50 while the other one was at 18.40. Okay, that's 2 sales. Now moving to our performance, our tab, let's have a look at our traffic. We currently had 2.8 million, so close to 2.9 million impressions, and that has converted into 4,043 listing views. From there, we're able to get around 38 minus 2, which came in the next day, 36 sales in total. Our click-through rate is sitting at 0.1%, while our conversion rate is 0.9%. As you can see, our impressions are increasing day by day. Let's go to our listing views. On our listing views, we're looking around close to 1,200 listing views in a day. Let's go to quantity sold. As I mentioned, we've sold 2 items and 2 of them came from promoted listing. So today's video is a small update on what's happening. We are continuing to make sales. One thing that I forget to mention to you guys, however, let's go to your discounts tab. Okay. On your discounts tab, what you want to do is you want to provide them a 24-hour running 5% coupon every day. So meaning I've started this coupon at 8 April 2026 at 11:59 p.m. and I'm going to end it at 9 April 11:59 p.m. So the reason why I provide a coupon is that it kind of boosts my item in the eyes of the algorithm. It provides a better listing and the algorithm loves it, the people love it, and eBay knows that it's going to work, so it starts boosting it up all automatically. So my suggestion to you is provide a 5% discount and run it for 24 hours. What you can do is, if you don't want to deal with it every single day, you can run one for 8 April to 9 April, followed by 9 April to 10 April, followed by 10 April to 11 April, and so on. You get the gist. Okay, moving back to our traffic, we have discussed everything so far. I don't think there's anything that I haven't mentioned. So in the upcoming days, as you guys know, we're just going to keep listing more and we're going to keep scaling and repeating the same actions or the same steps that has got us results. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.